Hello subscribers, in this video let's see how to print only the top part of a miniature. Slicing the model did not work because the table extends beyond the printer scope, so reducing the size will help. To print a half-size miniature from the head to the chest, position the model up to the chest and slice it. Since we cannot increase the print size, let's edit it in Blender. Let's add a cube mesh. Then, resize the cube and position it just below the chest of the miniature model. Switch to wireframe mode for a clear view of the 3D objects. Select the dress and add a Boolean modifier, then set the cube as the target object and apply the Boolean operation. Delete the unwanted 3D parts below the chest. Delete the cube and switch back to solid viewport mode. Export the 3D model. Reload it in Cura. Now you can 3D print a half-size miniature. If you want to learn and avoid common mistakes when making a human miniature, check out the playlist mentioned in the pinned comments. Are you interested in earning money using Blender? Then consider subscribing to this channel.